Tyler, be quiet.
Like a cartoon or something? Oh, what game?
It's the Red Helm Osborne.
Okay, cool.
Maybe
some
Dab.
So dabbing's already made its way to video games? Oh, the other bear came out too. Oh no. I didn't realize that. Now she's. Alright, I'll make sure she gets some food too.
I want to lose weight. My goal is
Ice Bear. Ice Bear loves that bear.
Kelly Ryder.
You see it, Rakaya?
Oh, she's drinking. Hey Kelly, can I toss some carrots into the bears, or is that?
Yes, that bear reminds you of Baloo. Hey, Tyler.
Okay, that's completely up to you. The other one wasn't eating, and now she came out, and there's not an apple.
Yeah,
for
me
us. I
too.
just want to toss her
Yeah,
one.
Baloo's.
But no worries if you don't want
No,
me to do it.
baby.
Oh, look, he's eating apple. Look. Apple? Bear's eating apple. Not you. No, you can have apple.
Okay. All right, guys. Adults, I want to get another apple for that bear because she came out, and we're trying to reward her for coming out. Do you guys mind hanging out here for like a minute while I go run and grab one?
Okay.
It's literally right over there. All right, I'll be right back.
I want to see the lion in action.
Yeah. Yeah. You videotaping? Yeah.
Do they have white tigers? I want to see white tigers.
You gotta see. He's gonna take. Look at this man.
Well, this annoying monster that I know, it's like a dragon, but
Now I'm gonna. Oh, hello, Lewis.
nope. I'm watching you, Angel.
I'm all recording a video.
Nope.
Fine.
Why are they hitting those trees?
Yeah.